Hello all, welcome back to yet another problem. Today let us solve the LeetCode's daily challenge. The problem is evaluate reverse Polish notation. Evaluate the values of an arithmetic expression in reverse Polish notation where valid operators are plus, minus, and star and division operator. Each operand may be an integer of or another expression. Note that the division between two integers should be truncated toward 0. And yeah, these are the tokens. Let us say the first example 2, then 1, then plus operator, then 3, and then multiplication operator. And we want to calculate the total value or total answer for this reverse Polish notation of this equation, let's say. So it is a standard problem. So what we can do is we can make use of stack. So whenever there is an integers comes in, that is the token comes in, then we can push the numbers into our stack. And there is a 1, again we can push the number into our stack. Let us say this is going to be a stack. And whenever in reverse Polish notation we encounter an operand in the sense the plus, minus, or a star and a division, we want to pop two elements. The two elements that we pop, and then we will perform the operation that is required for those two elements, and then we will be pushing that answer to our stack again. So that we will be repeating this process again and again until our tokens end in our vector, and then our final answer will be in our stack, and such a way that we can perform this reverse Polish notation. So I will give a dry run with this example 1 and 2, and then you will be clear. So 2 and 1 is pushed into the stack and the operand is plus now. So we will be popping 1 and 2 and we will be performing a plus. So we will be having 3 as the sum, and we will be pushing 3 into our stack. Now again 3 is now the next token is 3. We will be pushing 3 into our stack, and again we have an operand which is the multiplication, and we will be popping this 3 and 3, and we will be performing that operation 3 into 3, which is 9, and we will be pushing 9 into our stack, and we have our answer which is 9. But we want to take care of one particular case, which is nothing but, let us say, 6 divided by 3. So we want to perform this equation. We want to perform the, and we want to get our answer. So how can we get? So we will be tending to, so sorry, in reverse Polish notation this equation will be 6, 3, and division operator. So we will be pushing 6 into our stack and then 3 into our stack. But when I want to perform a division operator, then 3 is going to be my second and 6 is going to be my first, and then the division. So what I mean here is, it is not that 3 divided by 6, it is 6 divided by 3. So we want to take care of that. So the first popped element is going to be my second number, and the second popped element is going to be my first number. So first divided by second. If it is a plus operand, then the first plus second. So I making sense, I guess. So now we can just perform the reverse Polish notation. Yeah, so we can have a long val. Let's say it is going to be val1 and val2 to have two values, and I'm going to have a stack of long st, and I'm going to return st dot top at the end of the day. So now I'm going to perform I'm going to traverse for all the token in my tokens. What I'm going to do is, first if this is going to be some operand, I'm going to call this function is operand of this token. If this is operand of this token, then what I can do is, if this token is going to be an operand, then I want to do some stuff. But before that, if this is not going to be an operand, then what I should do is, I should push the value into my stack. So what I will be doing is, let's say I can take the val to be nothing but long val is nothing but string to integer of this token, and I will be pushing my val into my stack. Push of val. So if this is an operand, if this token is an operand, then I want to perform some operation. So val1 is nothing but, sorry, val2 is the stack dot top, and then I will pop the stack. Again val1 is going to be my stack dot top. Again I'm going to pop the top element. I have the val1 and val2. Now I want to perform the operation. So what I can do is I can have one function which is going to perform the operation. So long val, I can declare a val here itself. I don't want to redeclare each and every time. Even in if and else condition, I am requiring this val. So val is nothing but perform operation. Perform operation where my val1 is passed, val2 is passed, and then stack is passed. Sorry, stack is not passed. The operand is passed. Operand is nothing but the token. So this is passed. Now I will be getting a val something, and this val is going to be pushed into my stack. St dot push of val. So what I can do is I can now keep as common. Sorry. Anyways, I need to convert the string to integer, so I can keep this line common outside if and else condition. So yeah, I hope this is making sense. Now what we can do is we want to finish these two functions. Before that I will write the operand function is operand, where it takes a string ampersand token return if token is equals to plus, or my token is equals to subtraction, or token is equals to multiplication, or my token is equals to a division. Yeah, so this is going to be operand function, and the other function is nothing but this perform operation function. This is quite simple. We want to perform that operation, so it is going to return a long value, and this is taking a long val1 and long val2 and a string ampersand token. If this token is equals to plus operator, then I'm going to return val1 plus val2. If my token is equals to subtraction, then return val1 minus val2. If my token is equals to multiplication, then return val1 multiplied by val2. Else the token is going to be division, then return val1 divided by val2. So that's it. So this is the operation. Now let us try to run our code. So hope this is quite readable and productive code that you can say it as industry format. So this is going to be the evaluate reverse polish notation function, and for each token, if it is an operand, I'm going to perform this operation, and if it is not an operand, I'm going to push it into my stack. I'm going to convert that string to an integer and I'm going to push it into my stack. Now let us submit the code. Superb, it gets accepted. And yeah, hope you like the solution, and let me know in the comments if there are any suggestions. Let us see in tomorrow's LeetCode daily challenge. Until then, bye.